In the previous video, we talked about consensusless contracts in a blockchain, what they are and why they are important. They are the basis for protocol contracts. You can implement the core blockchain protocols as smart contracts, and this is what we are doing, a full WebAssembly-based blockchain where smart contracts are WasM modules and the blockchain itself is a collection of smart contracts. This is the next revolution in blockchain after Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you can have various protocol contracts for block production. You can have a block execution Merkle tree verifier. You can have a contract for managing the active validator set, for electing a block proposer or leader, for selecting or voting the type of consensus for the next block. You can have smart contracts for bridging, a contract for verifying and recording claims, a slasher contract for punishing bad actors, for data availability, again, a contract for verifying and recording claims and a slasher contract. For scalability, you can have smart contracts that manage sidechains, rollups, stateless, parallel chains protocols. This is what our Mythos team is working on. And on top of this, we already have presented our finite state machine interpreter. This allows core protocol devs to create protocols directly from finite state machine diagrams. And this week, we are going to demo the first prototype of a blockchain where the consensus protocol is implemented as a smart contract. So, if you want to see history in the making, stay tuned.